Personal space, there is a study called proxemics, introduced by Edward T. Hall. It is a study of human use of space and the effects that population density has on behavior, communication, and social interaction. Hall researched the human need for personal space and divided it into 4 zones. Generally, the relationship you have with another person determines how near you allow that person to come to you. Metrics dividing the zones may vary for different people and are influenced by culture, nationality, location, and other characteristics. But the proportions stay overall the same. Zone 1 is an intimate zone, between 0 to 18 inches. The most important zone, to which we only let enter those who are emotionally close to us, such as parents, children, lovers, close friends, and pets. Analogously, we feel uncomfortable if a stranger or someone we don't like enters this space. Researchers often distinguish a close intimate zone within the intimate zone, between 0 to 6 inches, which is meant for most intimate behaviors like touching, kissing, and whispering. Zone 2, personal zone, between 1.5 to 4 feet. In this zone we stand with friends, co-workers, extended family, and so on. For most of the people, it's the most comfortable distance for conversations. Usually, if you're talking with someone close and step out of this zone, they will feel baffled and try to gradually decrease the distance. Zone 3, social zone, between 4 and 12 feet. This is the distance in which we stay with plumbers and other strangers. Zone 4, public zone, over 12 feet. The last zone is used when we're addressing a large group of people, like lectures, speeches, concerts, and others.